Are you ready to kick costly cable to the curb and potentially save $100 a year? There are good reasons why 85% of US households now subscribe to at least one streaming subscription. There are 3 reasons you should probably think about streaming. Number 1, monthly savings. Many customers are replacing traditional TV plans with affordable streaming services, some of which have free trial periods. Number 2, convenience. Nobody wants to be tied to a TV schedule. Streaming lets you watch what you want when you want. Number 3, personalization. Streaming services make recommendations on what series or movies to watch next based on your viewing profile. We know this can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, the staff at Jefferson Telecom are here to help. We have created a website for all things streaming. Let's walk through some of the resources available from the comfort of your own home so you can make the best possible streaming decision. First, let's go to jeffersontelecom.com. So next we're going to come down here to Streaming Made Easy, and we would like to learn more. I'm going to click here. Before we get started, let's look at the channels that are important in your household. Let's come up here towards the header and click on Compared Channel Lineups. Towards the middle of the page we'll see keys, and this is where we're going to search for channels. So we'll come down to the search bar and let's just type in NBC. Okay, click that. So we got that locked in. We got NBC locked in. Now we want ABC. Click on that, lock that in. Big Ten Network, let's put that in there as well. How about ESPN? So these are all the channels that I personally watch in my household. HGTV. Well, we all do it. And let's just say Paramount. Alright, click that. Now here's our grid system based on the choices we picked. The search reveals that Jefferson Telecom Family Package has these channels available for $130.95. So we got your ABC, your NBC, Big Ten Network, ESPN, Hallmark Channel, HGTV, and Paramount Network. And for the same channels, I could also be paying $72.99 for YouTube TV. So there's a savings of $50 a month, just switching directly over to streaming. Now that your curiosity has been piqued, let's talk a bit more about streaming. So let's come up here and click on Getting Started. First, we will need to make sure you have a high enough internet speed for streaming. By completing this short quiz, we can find which speed is right for you. So right down here, number 1, choose your ideal internet speed, and we want to click on this little hyperlink here, Internet Speed Quiz. Let's walk through this quiz together. How many devices do you have in your home connected to the internet at the same time? I'm going to go ahead and click 7+. Did you know the average US household has 22 connected devices? Alright. Question number 2, how do you and your family use the internet? I'm going to click email, web browsing, social media, downloading large files on multiple devices. This next question is about streaming. Since I am new to streaming, I plan to only stream on one device at one time. So I'm gonna put, I stream on one device occasionally. This next question asks about video calls such as FaceTime, Skype, Zoom. I'm gonna mark that I am a single device user. What are you? And last question is asking me about gaming. I do not have anyone in my household that games, so I'm marking the first line. Do not use online gaming. Okay, let's get our speed test. Come down here to get your speed. Click on that. My results show that I need at least 100 megabits per second for a good experience while streaming. If you answered your questions differently than I did, you may need 200, 500, or even a gigabyte connection. A high number of Jefferson Telecom customers are still on our lowest internet speed. If you are unsure what internet speed you currently have, call Jefferson Telecom today to check. The nice perk of internet speed upgrade is that all changes can be taken care of from our office, so a technician does not need to come to your home. Maybe try out the speed, and if you do not notice a difference, you can always switch back your internet speed without any sort of penalty. Okay, now we know the internet speed that we need for streaming. Step number 2 is to review our streaming service options. Since we reviewed the channel comparison, we found that YouTube TV was a good option because remember, Jefferson Telecom's same channels, 130 YouTube TV, came out to be $72.99. When you click on YouTube TV, you will find a listing of pros and cons of the service, a channel lineup comparison, and a link to go directly to the site to sign up and even try it out for free. Jefferson Telecom staff recommends trying a free trial before canceling your TV subscription to ensure that you are comfortable with the service and it meets all your needs. With our example, it appears that YouTube TV checks all the boxes and will save me money each month. You might be asking, how do I get YouTube TV on my TV? If you have a smart TV, you should be ready to stream immediately. If you do not have a smart TV, you might need to purchase a streaming device that connects to your TV, such as a Roku or an Amazon Fire Stick. Jefferson Telecom does offer Roku sticks available for purchase, and we guarantee you will find installation a breeze. Most customers have the device set up in minutes. Well, there you have it. You are ready to start streaming. If you have any questions, the staff at Jefferson Telecom are happy to help. Take the time to explore the website and even type in your own channels that you personally watch. If you have any questions, please stop in or give us a call.